the difference between a boost and running ads through Ads Manager is the boost is very good if you're running your ads yourself. It's essentially the quick and dirty way to get your ads out there. So if that is kind of your situation, that's when you'd want to use Boost. But the better solution is to run it through Ads Manager. Either you can do that yourself, or if you have another team that's able to do that for you. When you're using the Boost, you can't use custom audience. You can't use a lot of the features that you normally would have in advertising. So you will always get better results out of using Ads Manager, just because there's additional settings and parameters that you can utilize that will help you get better results.
Hey, I hope you got a lot of value out of that training video, and we've got a lot more in store for you as well. I want you to subscribe to this channel so we can help you to grow your real estate business. There's nothing more important than generating more closings for yourself, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. What I want you to do is subscribe to this channel. If you don't have an account with YouTube, you can set one up for free right now. Just click the little button to set up an account. You can then subscribe to this channel, and then I want you to ring the bell. That's going to notify you every single time a new video is posted to help you in closing more real estate. Now, most importantly, I want you to check the description in this video that you're watching right now. Look down in that description. There's lots of specific training that you can do right now, totally free, to get you closing more real estate. Lots of great ideas, techniques, marketing tools that you can utilize. Check it out in the description right now, and we'll see you in the next video.